Warning: the following video may contain scenes of incredible vocals, awesome guitar riffs, and generally amazing music. It is highly recommended that you use headphones during this performance. Put them on, people. What is up, all you beautiful people? Welcome back to the channel. I'm your host and your friend Jace. I'm happy that you're here with me. It's part 2 of 2 for Tuesday, and guess what we've got? You read it right in the title. We've got Jonathan Young and Peter Hollens with The Reigns of Castamere. But what? Jace, we already did that one. You already checked that song out earlier today. No, this is the metal version. That's right. Jonathan Young apparently is known for doing metal covers of songs, and that's what we're checking out today. Apparently they did a metal cover of this as well, and I think that's phenomenal, and I think that makes perfect 2 for Tuesday fodder. So, you know the drill. Put your freaking headphones on. Don't make me jump over there and put them on for you, or I'll bump the mic again. If you're new to the channel and you like good music from all over the world, that's what we do. You see this map behind me? That arrow is pointing at, or close to, San Francisco. That's where the internet said Jonathan Young is from, so that's where we're saying the music is from this time. What we do is we find artists from all over the world, we talk about them, highlight them, and then we check out good music. That's what we're here for, so a lot of it. If you like that idea, hit the subscribe button. We want you to come along with us. So, otherwise, let's get right into it. Jonathan Young, Peter Hollens, Reigns of Castamere, metal cover. Let's get it. Let's get it. Alright, I'm not going to make the same mistake this time. Volume up. Volume up. Everybody ready?
And who are you, the proud Lord?
That's right, you come right in.
That I must bow so low. Only a cat of a different coat. That's all the truth I know.
Okay.
In a coat of gold, a coat of red, a lion still has claws. And mine are long and sharp, my lord, as long and sharp as yours.
This guy's voice is amazing.
And so he spoke, and so he spoke, that Lord of Castamere. Oh, now the rains reap his hall, with no one there to hear. Yes, now
The bass. Yeah, and it's just when he comes in with the power, all these bass guys, Tim and Avi and them, and now Jonathan, I love it so much. I'm a bass head, I guess. What do you call it?
yes, now the rains reap his all, with not a soul to hear.
Let's go.
Hands of gold are always cold, but a woman's hands are warm. Yes, hands of gold are always cold, but a woman's hands are warm.
I tell you guys in every video to put your headphones on, and whenever I hear a spot in the video that makes me remember why, I gotta highlight it. This whole part right here. Just turn it up as loud as it'll go. This whole part. Goodness.
It's cold, but a woman's hands are warm. Yes, hands of gold are always cold, but a woman's hands are warm.
It's so good. Oh my goodness.
And so he spoke, and so he spoke, that Lord of Castamere. But now the rains reap o'er his hall, with with no one there to hear.
I think, sorry for pausing so much, but not sorry. I think he did an excellent job of, making the music fit the song. He even put a little break in there earlier for his little solo, which was phenomenally done, just blended. But this sounds so natural. It doesn't even sound like a cover of the song. It just sounds like the song. I think he's done a wonderful job. So, Jonathan, nice job, dude.
With no one there to hear the snow rains we bore his heart with not a soul to hear. And who are you, the proud Lord said that I must bow so low? Only a cat of a different coat, that's all the truth I know.
Okay.
A coat of gold, a coat of red, a lion still has claws, and mine are long and sharp, my lord, as long and sharp as yours. And so he spoke, that Lord of Castamere. But now the rains we bore his hall with not a soul to hear. Yes, now the rains we bore his hall with not a soul to hear.
Thank you so much for.
Bah. Oh, that was pretty good. Let me just say. Okay, so if you've been following this channel for a while or been watching any of my videos, you know that this is right up my freaking alley. I'm a metal guy first, metalhead first, who has discovered the wonder and the joy of the acapella style, and it's wonderful. But I'm a metalhead first, so I choose this version, and it was phenomenal. These guys just knocked it out of the park. Let's just say they started off by recording an awesome track, and then Jonathan did a wonderful job of coming in with the metal. So I was really feeling that one, really into that one. So Jonathan, if you see this, excellent job. Peter, if you see this, excellent job. You guys killed it. And this was a lot of fun, so I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. It really helps out the video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Be good out there. Be safe. Wash your hands. Wear your mask. And always, always, always rock on. And come join us on Twitch.